So this is another vlog. I look different and different. Oh my god, I broke my favorite rubber band. I mean, let's face it, this rubber band has been through a lot. I have used and abused it. I mean, this is how big it had gotten. Maybe this is a sign that I need to stop tying my hair all the time. No, maybe I need to tie it up. I should stop smiling at people because they look at me like I'm weird when I smile at them. So I'm really confused. Sun is finally out, but it's also raining. Will I see a rainbow? Hi, Dugu! You're right, it's me. First time she's jumped. Hi, Dugu! Hi! Hi! Now I don't know if she's gonna let me work out or not. I got this giant pimple on my face. But they say your lungs aren't clear if you get acne over here. So I'm gonna focus on my breathing exercises. Go do yoga. Okay, come. Go show me how you do yoga on the mat. Yesterday you showed me. Show your yoga. Show yoga, baby. Hi, my baby. Go show how you do yoga. You want to show? No, she's camera. Wow, you know yoga. Come show on the mat. Come on the matty. Wow. Show yoga, Dugu. Correct. What is happening? What happened, baby? How come you came so early today? You're teething? Oh no, it's gonna rain. Oh no, it's raining. Oh no. Is that a parrot? Wow, that's a parrot, Dugu. Parrots are green color, okay? No, Dugu, not the chopper. If there are any yoga instructors or anyone who's trained in yoga, anyone who's watching this out there, how am I supposed to rotate my arm? I just don't get it. It's a lot more complicated than it looked in that video. She's gotten the cutest habit of coming and kissing the camera,
Yes,
the phone.
Dugu.
I don't know why, but it's adorable.
Come, you want to do yoga? Show yoga. Come do your stretchy. Yeah, show me your stretchy. Who is the smartest girl? Dugu. That was a yoga pose, yeah. Yes. Dugu. Hi, Dugu. Let me work out. Please? Do you sleep? I'll do workout. I'm right here. Let me also work out, Dugu. Please give me, let me work out. Chalo. Little bit here. Thank you. I'm lying down. Don't freak out. Can I? Thank you. You're so cute. Chalo. Chalo, let me lie down. Dugu. Okay. You stay here. Dugu. Mama has to work out, beta. Mama has to work out. Dugu. Okay, let me do 2 stretches, then we'll play. Okay? 2 stretches. Thank you. stretch for mommy. I told you 2 stretches. We had a deal. Yes.
My mother would say that I've managed to spoil her also. But how do you take something like you can buy new things? How do I take this away from this baby? Dugu, give. Dugu, please, Dugu. Chal, beta, don't be a spoiled baby. You have to be a good girl, no? Chalo, give. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Okay, give. Dugu, chalo. Bye. I'm going home without a chappal. Bye. You go back. I'll come see you again. She comes to drop me. I mean, this isn't love. I don't know what is. Hi! Oh, you're dropping me home? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You want to come home? That you don't want to do. And this is the part that's really difficult because then she doesn't go, I don't go, I wait for her to go. Come here! But she doesn't want to come upstairs. I've tried to go run some errands. And that's why I'm like a vampire who stepped out of the law. Stepping out. I usually step out after long periods of time. I think it's been a week maybe. I'm happy not going in, honestly, but it's time. It's time to like do things that are needed. I feel like the perfect person for me to end up with would be someone who likes running errands, doing boring ass things. Because I'm not, that life is not for me. I just don't do things unless I feel like it. And the world doesn't wait for you. So someone needs to handle business. That's not going to be me. I also need to get back soon because I need to go meet my doggy. I don't think it should take more than an hour or two. But I want to go to this cafe. I'm off caffeine, but I want to eat something sweet and nice. He's on a call. Let's give him some private. That's a good thing, less pain, honestly. It's an added bonus. I was using a razor for my hands and legs in the middle, but I feel like waxing is just better. It just gets rid of the dead skin and everything. And it lasts longer too, technically. Why are we having this conversation? I just don't want to apply makeup for the day. And it's going well. I just hope I don't have to go somewhere. I mean, if I have to, I will. But I just can't be bothered with putting on makeup right now for this. I need to get there. And I'm trying to figure out how do I do this. I have really long legs. This shouldn't be difficult. But how am I supposed to get to there without getting wet? This is just tricky as hell. You know when you tie your hair for too long and then you start getting a headache? That's what started happening. And after this, I got a giant cookie, and nothing makes me happier than food items that are as big as my face. My parents say my eyes are bigger than my stomach because I want to eat a lot, but then I can't. But I did eat this cookie, and I'm gonna let you witness it. How happy I was with this cookie. I recorded myself eating this cookie in so many different angles. If I put in this much hard work and other things, I mean, you see where I'm going, right? And then my favorite thing to do is people watching. I'll people watch till I won't make anyone uncomfortable. Someone was looking at me though, and I was like, bro, stop staring at me. I mean, I know I'm alone and I'm eating a cookie, but that doesn't mean you look at me and judge me. I love eating alone, and once you start eating alone, you can't eat with other people. After I'm happy though, then I'm like, time to tie my hair again because can't focus on things with open hair, you know the drill, right? This outing was a success. I've done everything I had to do, and I got a cookie. Giant cookie. How is my hair always out of place? I just don't get it. I only saw one YouTube number. There's nothing like going home. You have to go home after like 25-30 minutes. I think it's better facing this way. So I would be uncomfortable and face this way. That's called commitment. But now we're talking. See, I can use my brain when I want to. It's just rare that I do. Anyway, I'm ready to take on the world now. This is my month, my year, my decade, my century. There we go. And that's how the cookie crumbles. I need to stop listening to people's conversations. But it's so much fun. You all need to help me out and tell me what you all want me to post. Not that I'm going to listen to you all. I mean, I'll try. Should I? I don't know.